What's up, guys? Wanted to talk to you a little bit about some Baja Designs dim switches and some of the features that come with the XL series lights. So first off, this is a Baja Designs part. This is the high-low harness, and this works on the KTM and Husqvarna bikes 23 and previous years. So for 24, the KTM and Husqvarnas, they come with a different style connector in their wiring harness. So we made our own. This is a high-low harness, and this will work on the Husqvarna FES models, so the street models, and then the KTM EXCF, any of the street models with the handlebar switch. What this does is it plugs into your stock wiring harness and then into the Baja Designs light. So if you buy the light from us, it comes with the connector, everything plugs in, and then you have your ground here that plugs into the green wire off the Baja Designs XL, and that's what gives you your high-low features and allows you to dim the light. These are available. These all come built, ready to go. So you can add these on to your order if you're buying a light and you have a S model or, again, a KTM EXC, both of those. A couple other dim switches we have. These are going to be more for the FE or the XC bikes if you do not have the handlebar switch. So these, what these do, and on any of the lights that we are making and selling, so anything you buy from us that's a Source Offroad Baja Designs light, it will be integrated with a bullet connector off the light. So this will just plug into the light. I don't have a light here to show you guys, but basically on the Baja Designs light, it has a green wire with a female bullet connector, so that'll plug into this. And then what we are doing is we're adding another wire that will plug into this female bullet connector. So you'll mount this on the bike, and this is our mounting tab version. So this can mount anywhere on the bike, and then this can plug into your light. Just a standard, it's called a panel mount dim switch. So this does not have any tab or anything, but what you can do is you can unscrew the cap, and on the Husqvarna FE models and the same for the KTM XCs, there's still a hole in the headlight shroud. So you can bolt this switch into that hole where the blinkers would be, and you can secure that on either the left or the right side, and then you just can click it on and off. If you want to dim it, you click it. If you want it back to full brightness, click it off. So the Baja Designs lights are really cool. They have that light, that wire built in from Baja Designs. That's what they're doing. And that gives you a 100% brightness with the light not dimmed, and then 80% with it in the dim setting. So that's pretty cool. One other thing that we're doing, so a dim switch with a little bit of, I think this is about 6 inches with a ring terminal. So if you bought a Baja Designs light not from us, but you still want to use the dim feature of the light that it comes with, this is a same thing. This is a dim switch just like this, but what we're adding is a little 6-inch lead. This connects into this one on the female side. The male connector will connect to your Baja Designs light, and this now can ground to your frame on the bike, just a good ground. And same thing, you'll be able to dim the light, dim, bright, however you want to use it, and that'll work for any non-Source Offroad lights. So again, we're building our lights to make it really simple, but if you don't, you can buy this. It's just one extra step, plugging that in and using a good chassis ground. Might need to lengthen this if you guys are wanting to run it down under the gas tank. There's a good common ground next to the coil, so we might need to lengthen that. Doing some testing and doing some development, figuring out what works for everybody. But that's it. So we have our dim switch for any of the bikes without the handlebar switch. That's the easiest way to look at it. So if you have a FE XC bike without the handlebar switch and you just want to be able to dim it, here you go. If you have a 24 model Husqvarna FE KTM EXC, here it is. It's all plug and play, ready to go. And then if you're using the older style, the older bike, this is what it is. That's the Baja Designs part number. This is all packaged from them. So that'll work as well. One thing is the Baja Design stuff. I think you have to add your connector, and it's a little bit up to you as far as putting it together. We took any of the headache away, so it's all plug and play, plug and ride. Just plug it in and go. So those are the two differences. I hope that answers any questions, clears some things up. They are available. They are on the website. Go ahead and order yours today.